Respected teachers, welcome to Diksha online training. Let's take a look at the portfolio activity given to us as a part of this club training. 1. Prepare any two activities for teaching vocabulary for class 3. 2. Write a detailed note on the uses of substitutional tables in teaching English. 3. Suggest teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities in class 1 and 2. First one. Prepare any two activities for teaching vocabulary for class 3. Activity 1. Singular and plural forms. The words that denote one person or thing or place are said to be in singular form. Example, a pencil equal to one pencil. The words that denote more than one person or thing or place are said to be in plural form. Example, pencils equal to many pencils. The teacher shows pictures of flashcards. Students will match singular and plural forms. Singular form, plural form. Ball, balls. Pencil, pencils. Bag, bags. Activity 2. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place, thing or idea. Words like small, cool, round, big, red are descriptive and they are called examples of adjectives. The teacher shows picture cards. Students will match the phrases with their pictures. Students are paired as follows: a big tree, a green grass, a small baby, a red balloon. Second one, write a detailed note on the uses of substitutional tables in teaching English. A substitution table is when a teacher provides a table giving model sentences with a range of choices for learners to select from using a set pattern. Uses of substitution table. It is a very useful scaffolding resource which extends the speaking or writing skills of EAL learners and can be used as a reinforcement of newly acquired language. It would enable the children to come out of the fear of speaking. The practice helps the children to pronounce the word easily and correctly. Example. Here is the substitutional table. Here are 3 columns. In the first column, there are I, you, he, she, it, they. In the second column, there are like, likes. In the third column, there are ice cream, chocolate, milk, fruit. Students will write sentences. I like ice cream, she likes chocolate, they like fruit, it likes milk, we like chocolate. Third one, suggest teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities in class 1 and 2. Enable learners to write and color. Introduce appropriate sounds of English. In the first class English textbook, fun time activities are given that like recognize letters and sound of letters and write the letters. Teacher asks them, look at the picture and the letters, color them. Example like this. Second class English textbook fun activities are given that like word grid, missing letters, etc. Example like this. Students will write missing letters.